They're all scared in the corner, and they're getting raped one by one. Every time one gets in the back, these guys are doing like a rape party. 1, 2, 3, 4 roosters. They're all having their way with these hens. And these guys are trying so hard to get away. There's even a rooster in the midst, trying to get away from being humped. Oh, you see how they got her cornered? They're like, oh, you must be a rooster. And there's some hens up here at the top. Man, what you want, sucker? Better watch yourself. I thought I told you. What's worse, guys? The guineas? Are the guineas worse? Or is it the rapist roosters? They're raping roosters, man. They're bad. Okay, we got another black Maran up in here, too. I didn't count him. See? He went over here and grabbed him, and they're trying to rape him. You're an asshole, Roosty. Yeah, you twirl your neck all you want, but you're an ass muncher. Y'all gonna get tired of all that humping, dumping, and bumping later on. You don't even finish humping before you attack. You're a jerk. Yeah, you just got winged in the face, sucker. You just got scared, sucker. Leave the chickens alone. Hey! No! Jerk. You're a jerk.